What is up, guys? This is Profit Day Trader here, and today it's going to be a quick tutorial in TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim on how to do a pre-market or an aftermarket trade. Now, pre-market is from 4 o'clock to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, it's important to understand that that's when the pre-market is open, but for Thinkorswim and TD Ameritrade, they actually won't allow you to trade till starting at 7 a.m. So our true pre-market is 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and aftermarket is the same as regular hours. So you can trade from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, it's pretty simple. So it's gonna be a quick video. If you go up here, two important things. I'm gonna change this back here. So there's a couple things you have to add to your active trader window. Now, if you come up here, as you can see, I had buy market, sell market. Now you're going to have to come over here. You're going to have to go to settings over here. I already added it for the video, but I'm going to take it off for a second just to show you. Okay, so right now, these are the buy and sell market. This is what everybody's setup should look like. Now you're going to go over here to settings, and there's three important buttons you're going to need to put in to do pre-market and aftermarket trading. So you're going to come over here. You're going to buy the buy bid button, and then the sell ask button. You're going to see, and I'm going to actually move these up. I want to move these up to the first line. I want those to be at the very top. Okay. And there's one other button here. It's called TIF. So you're going to add that button as well. So that button's already on mine. So go over here and add the TIF to your current set here. So, okay, so these are the three buttons you're going to need. You're going to need join the bid. You're going to need join the ask. And you're going to need this TIF button. Now, the reason why this TIF is so important is because right now, if I go to, let's say I go to hit buy, just buy market, nothing's going to happen. It's going to just sit here, and it's just not going to move. It just won't, it won't ever fill. It'll just sit here until 9:30. So you don't want this. So we're going to X out of this. That's not going to work. You can't, if you come over here, and I go to click in the active trader to buy a limit, again, it's not going to do anything. It's not showing anything. It's just sitting there. It's just not filling. Now, it's important to understand is aftermarket and pre-market, you have to have a limit order. You cannot use market orders in the pre-market. So you are going to have to use these join the bid, join the ask are type of limits. See how it's moving in the active trader window there? But the difference is you have to come over here to the TIF. Right now, this is set to day. Well, it's not going to go through because it's not open the market. So you have to come over here. You have to put GTC EXT, good till cancel, extended. So when you come over here now, so I'm going to click that setting there. Now watch what happens when I buy one share. It might take a little bit to get filled because it's a little slower during the pre-market, but you'll see. Give this we'll give this a minute. It should go through. It's given in the pre-market. It's a little bit slower to get filled, so don't be worried if it's taking a little bit. These are the settings that are correct. Now, for some reason, it's just taking a little while. It hasn't been filled yet. Okay, so now see how I changed my position? I got one share at $8.19. Now, say I'm in this, I'm like, oh crap, I want to get out of it. You keep this setting on, and you're going to hit join the ask. Now, see how it popped over there? And then it should take, again, another minute. Now, you got to be a little more careful with pre-market because these jump around, and you might have to readjust this. You might have to cancel out your order and move. If this thing moves down or moves up pretty quickly, this isn't going to work anymore. So you're going to have to kind of chase it a little bit. So just be aware that this isn't as simple as just, it's not like market order. Market orders are simple. You buy, sell, you can buy and get out whenever you want. But this one, you're going to have to be a little more patient. So that's why pre-market is definitely more dangerous because you have to make sure that you're paying attention very closely. So again, so then they got filled. Didn't lose or gain anything off that trade. And there also is, so that is how you would use the buttons. Now these are very important. If you set these up with hotkeys, it makes it very quick. But if you don't want to use hotkeys, you can use these buttons here. And you can also, it's important to understand, you can actually click, because if you hover over this button, see how the buy order pops up over here and sell order? You can just actually click, you can click right here too. You can actually click here, it'll fill your order, and you can click over here and you can sell the order. So understand that's also an option as well. So yeah, that's just a little quick pre-market tip. Again, if you're interested in these videos, I go over a lot of Thinkorswim program stuff, consider subscribing to the channel. If you got any value out of this video, please like. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah, that's it for today. Nice short one. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.